There we go. Nice smallie. Chunky cold water smallie. It's 46-degree water temp. Got him on a tiny little neg rig. Not super big, but nice fish. See you, buddy. Nice. Starting to get a little nervous. I was getting his perch. Finally got one. There's a smallie. Oh, no, that's a largemouth with a jacked up lip. Jacked up lip on that guy. Look at that thing. It's a decent little largie. Thanks, buddy. There's another largemouth. Look at this fish. Look at the spots on this guy. Wow. That almost makes him look like a smallmouth. Got that Ned. Wow. What a crazy looking fish. Both sides of him. Another fish. Ooh, this one's a smallie. Nice chunky one. Gosh, that Ned rig is just gone. Little chunk. Oh, I guess it wasn't quite as far down as I thought it was. Nice little chunky one. Oh. Long and skinny smallie. Not very long, but another little fella. There's a nice one there. Oh, they're on that Ned. There's just so much bait through here. And it's about the size of this Ned rig. I think they just think it's a little minnow. It's a nice 16, 15 incher. Pretty fish. That's definitely what they're eating though. Just tiny minnows. My jerkbait isn't getting no attention. Another one. It's a little guy. Oh, he's not too bad. Tiny chunk. Definitely feeding up for the winter. They got some nice bellies on them. Wow. That was before I even picked up on it. Another little guy. It's a tiny fella. Good gosh. I think we found him. Another one. Oh wow, that Ned rig popped off as soon as he got in the net. That's a nice one too. There, big fella. Probably the biggest one so far. Maybe 17. Nice fish. Well, it took a while. First couple of hours out here, I didn't do much, and I didn't think they'd be schooled up on this side of the lake, but apparently it looks like they are. That's 3 casts in a row or something, I think. Oh my gosh, another one. Another hard fighting 47-degree water smallie. Air temp's only about 50 right now, and I'm cold, but these guys don't seem to be. Another little chunk. Gosh, how many casts in a row can we catch a fish here? Oh my gosh. This is just, oh, he came off. Oh no. Man, they are loaded in here. This is nuts. I didn't expect it to be this good. Absolutely loaded. This is insane. Wow. BFS, light line, I'm using 6-pound line. Just having a ball. Another decent little smallie. And they are fighting today, that's for sure. Oh, come here. It's another chunky one. Might be the same fish I just caught. Oh, this is a nice one. Stay on there, buddy. Stay on there. This is a toad. This is a real big one. Got that Ned absolutely choked in there. Gosh. Need some pliers on this guy. There we go. That's a big old fish. Measure this guy, he might go 18. Needs to be close. Oh yeah, he's only 17 and a half, maybe 17 and a quarter, maybe an eighth. It's not too big. Still a nice fish. Another one, this little guy. It's a perch. Another perch. This little eater, too bad it's a Lake Allegan, part of the Kalamazoo River, so can't exactly eat anything out of here. Too much PCBs. Oh, we're on a big old school of perch now. Wow, look at those. That is a mega perch for out here. There's a whole school of them right below me here. Alright, well, that's gonna do it. Motoring my way back to the launch now. We caught a ton of fish. Not really any big ones, but still a great time to get out here. I did not expect to catch anything really with the water being 47, but luckily we found a school and had some fun for a while. So it's probably it for my season. It's early November. Got a baby to focus on, so probably won't be doing much more fishing this year. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.